Welcome to my YouTube tutorial on installing WordPress locally on your computer using XAMPP. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing WordPress locally on your computer for development or testing purposes. So if you are thinking of how to install WordPress locally on your computer, then this video is for you. Let's dive in and get your WordPress installation up and running. In this tutorial, we'll be following 4 steps. First of all, we will download and install XAMPP on our computer. Secondly, we will configure the database using my PHP admin. And third, we will download and install WordPress on our computer. And the fourth one, we will configure the WordPress to finish our installation. So let's start with the first step. Let's download XAMPP and install it on our computer. So you go to your browser and you search in Google XAMPP download, and you use the first link that appears, and you choose your operating system, and you click on download, and you click here, and you click on start download. And our file is downloaded. After that, install the installation file. Click on next. Click on next. Select the location of your installation and click on next. Here you can select your language. It is now ready to install. So click on next and your installation will begin. After the installation, you have an icon like this or a shortcut. So open it and start Apache and MySQL. So click on start and click on start here too. Now it has started successfully. So under the MySQL, click on admin. And it will send you to this area where we are to configure our database. So you look for database here, you click on it, and you give your database a name here. You click on create. Now our database is created here. So we are done configuring our database here. Now let's move on to our test step. We need to download WordPress from the WordPress website. So to do this, you type in wordpress.org in your browser, and you send to official WordPress website. In the upper right corner here, we see Get WordPress. Click on it and scroll down. You will see WordPress, the latest version of WordPress here. And if you like, you can use the installation guide here. So you click on WordPress 6.5 and you click on download and it will start downloading. We need to install the WordPress on the XAMPP that we installed. So to know this, let's open our installation file, that's the WordPress file, and let's extract it into the XAMPP file. So when you go to where you install the XAMPP, you will see the XAMPP folder here. You open the XAMPP folder and you go to this folder here, htdocs. You open to that folder and you extract the WordPress installation file into that folder. Now you can see we have the WordPress file inside the XAMPP folder here, the XAMPP installation folder here. So now let's go on to the fourth step by configuring the WordPress and finishing our installation. Now that we've done all the previous steps, what we do is you come to your browser, you type in localhost/WordPress. Here you choose your language. After that, click on continue. You click on let's go. Here you need to fill in this form here. So you write your database name here, and then the username here, you write root, and the password you leave it blank. So you leave everything blank here and you click on submit. Now you click on run installation. And now here we need to write our website name. Here you write your username. Here you put in your password. You check confirm password here. You put in your email address here. And you click on here. You check discourage search engines from indexing this site, because you have installed it locally. There's no need for you to allow it. So we check this and click on install WordPress. Now we have success message here. Our WordPress is installed. We have our username here, and then we have our password, which is hidden. So let's log in. So this is the back end of your website, and here you need to put in the credentials to be able to log in. So now we are logged on to our back end of our website. This is our back end of the website. Now you can view your website from here. Now this is our website. This is the current state of our website. This is our back end of the website. This is how you install WordPress locally on your computer using XAMPP. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Until we meet again on other videos, thanks for watching.